Listen, out there, far beyond Saturn, past the fading warmth of the sun, drifts a world that should not exist. A planet that spins differently. Not upright, not steady, but sideways. Almost completely sideways. Imagine a planet knocked over. A giant world rolling through space like a fallen god. That world is Uranus, a frozen giant of violent impacts, diamond storms, and oceans of burning ice. From Earth, it looks calm, just a pale blue dot in the darkness. Peaceful, silent. But the universe has a strange habit. It hides its most violent secrets behind the quietest faces. Every planet spins like a top. Earth does, Mars does, Jupiter does, even Saturn. But Uranus does not. Uranus spins lying on its side, its axis tilted by nearly 98 degrees. Imagine Earth rolling around the sun like a bowling ball. That is Uranus. One pole faces the sun for decades. The other pole freezes in darkness. Each season lasts 42 Earth years. Entire generations of storms rise and die before the seasons change. This is not normal. Something did this to Uranus. Something violent. Billions of years ago, the solar system was chaos. Young planets collided constantly. Worlds smashed together like cosmic billiard balls. And one day, something enormous struck Uranus. Not an asteroid, not a comet, a planet-sized object. The impact was unimaginable. Mountains of energy released in a single moment. The collision knocked Uranus over. Forever. And the giant planet has been rolling through space ever since. A scar of violence that never healed. But the strangest thing about Uranus is not its tilt. It is the cold. Uranus is the coldest planet in the solar system. Temperatures fall to minus 224 degrees Celsius. Colder than Neptune. Colder than Pluto's nights. Even stranger. Uranus barely releases any internal heat. Most giant planets glow faintly from the warmth inside them. Jupiter does. Saturn does. Neptune does. But Uranus is almost silent. A giant planet with a frozen heart. Beneath the calm blue clouds lies something extraordinary. Uranus is not just gas. It is an ice giant. Deep inside the planet water, ammonia and methane are crushed by immense pressure. The result is an ocean, but not an ocean like Earth. This sea is thousands of kilometers deep, dark, crushing, boiling. Ice behaves differently under such pressure. It melts, flows, burns. Imagine an ocean of superheated ice, a sea of fire and water mixed together, hidden forever beneath silent clouds. But Uranus holds an even stranger secret. Methane gas fills its atmosphere. Deep inside, the planet pressure becomes overwhelming. Methane molecules break apart. Carbon atoms separate. Then, something remarkable happens. They crystallize into diamonds. Scientists believe that inside Uranus, it may literally rain diamonds. Tiny crystals forming in darkness, then falling endlessly through the deep interior. A storm of gemstones, hidden in a planet no human will ever touch. Earth's magnetic field is simple, stable, protective. Uranus's magnetic field is chaos. It is tilted, shifted, offset from the center of the planet. As Uranus rotates, its magnetic field wobbles through space, opening, closing, twisting, like a giant cosmic heartbeat. The result is one of the strangest magnetospheres ever discovered. Saturn's rings shine like gold. Uranus's rings do not. They are thin, dark, almost invisible. Unlike Saturn's bright ice, these rings are made of blackened debris, fragments of ancient moons, worlds that once existed, now ground into dust over billions of years. A silent graveyard circling a sideways planet. Among Uranus's moons, one stands out, Miranda, a small world, only 500 kilometers wide, but its surface looks shattered. Gigantic cliffs 20 kilometers high, deep fractures cutting across the crust. It looks like a world that was once destroyed, then stitched back together. Scientists believe Miranda may have been blown apart by a massive collision. Then gravity slowly rebuilt it, piece by piece. A celestial Frankenstein, a moon reborn from destruction. Despite its mysteries, Uranus remains almost unexplored. Only one spacecraft has ever visited. In 1986, the probe Voyager 2 flew past the planet. For a few brief hours, it revealed this alien world. The sideways rotation, the dark rings, the broken moons. Then it disappeared into the darkness beyond Neptune, and no spacecraft has returned. Uranus waits, silent, cold, 3 billion kilometers from the sun. From Earth, Uranus looks harmless, just another blue dot in the night sky. But beneath that calm exterior lies a world of chaos, silent yet full of violent secrets. A planet knocked sideways by ancient collisions and immense cosmic forces. A place where diamonds may fall like rain, and oceans of burning ice hide beneath silent clouds, deep and eternal. The universe is full of strange worlds, wonders beyond imagination. But sometimes, the strangest ones are the quietest, hiding their fury behind stillness. And somewhere in the cold darkness beyond Saturn, a frozen giant continues to roll through space, alone and unyielding. Sideways, forever.